All right, Cookie. You got a present in the mail from one of your fans. Look. Look. Come on, you gotta see it. Let me take it out of the package, right, first. And you can see it. You got a surprise. It's your first present you've ever gotten in the mail. She's very scared. It's okay. We'll open it up. I'll open it. And you can watch from really far away, okay? Where are you going? You gonna hide? Oh, hold on. I'll get it. He's scared of the white. Where'd you go, Cookie? You scared? How am I supposed to do a video with you hiding all the way up there? Look at him. Look at, he's looking. It's okay, Cookie. It's okay. You know what? You're scared of presents? He says, I don't want to be the star of the show. Rue's hiding too. Rue's hiding. My scaredy cat. Oh my goodness, Cookie! What'd you get? Wow, what is this, Cookie? This is nice. Hold on, Cookie. It's not scary. Where are you? You're right here. Okay, Shy Cookie gets a present. Is that what we should call this video? Look at him peeking. Hi. Okay, look what you got. Wow, what is this? A cookie woven blanket. That's gorgeous. Oh my God, you guys, look. Rue's hiding too. Look. Hi-ho. Ah, right? That's what he says. Hi-ho up. Look. Jocelyn, thank you so much. This is beautiful. It must have taken forever for you to make. Wow. That's amazing. Gotta somehow stretch it so we can hang it. That's really nice. Really, really nice. Cookie, here, Cookie. Where are you? Oh, he's... Cookie? Look! Cookie, look! Look, Cookie! Look at your present from Jocelyn. That's beautiful. Let's see what Coco thinks. Oh, Cookie got a present in the mail. This is the first time Cookie's got a present in the mail. It wasn't addressed. It wasn't for you. It wasn't for Kiwi. It wasn't for Rue. It wasn't for anyone but Cookie. But I figure you might just like to see it because you like stuff. You like new stuff. Hold on. Let's go back a bit because I know you're going to jump on it. Look, Coco. Look, that's Cookie. Wow. What do you think? You can't chew it. You mad at that Cookie got some... Okay, come on, let go. That's Cookie. See? Look at the pretty colors. Doesn't it look like them? And it says hi-ho. And because that's what he says. What do you think? Aw, you like it? Do you like it, Coco? Look. Give Cookie a kiss. Aw, that's nice. Thank you, Jocelyn. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was a beautiful handmade gift. Cookie's never gotten a present. He's so excited.
This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo.